Hello, friends. Today we will take a look at the website proxyseller.com, a reliable resource for purchasing proxy servers. If you are looking for quality proxies for your online activities, then this video is for you. On the homepage, we see a simple and intuitive interface. The site offers various types of proxies, HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5. This allows you to choose the option that best suits your needs. One of the main advantages of Proxy Seller is the wide selection of locations. You can choose proxies from different countries, which is especially useful for bypassing geographical restrictions. Additionally, all proxies have high speed and stable connections, which is critical for working with large volumes of data. Let's talk about prices. The site offers various pricing plans that are suitable for both individual users and businesses. You can choose a monthly subscription or longer-term options, which allows you to save money. Types of proxies and their costs. IPv4 proxies cost from $0.75 per IP per month. Description: high-speed and anonymous proxies suitable for most tasks. IPv6 proxies cost from $0.12 per IP per month. Description: an economical solution for tasks that support IPv6. Mobile 4G/5G proxies cost from $32 to $80 per month, depending on the country. Description: ideal for working with social networks and other services that require mobile IPs. Residential proxies cost from $18 for 3 gigabytes of traffic per month. Description: proxies using real IP addresses of home users, providing a high degree of anonymity and reliability. ISP proxies cost from $1.50 per IP per month. Description: proxies provided by internet service providers, combining the advantages of data center and residential proxies. They offer high stability and trust from web services. Proxy Seller also pays attention to security. All proxy servers provide a high level of anonymity, allowing you to remain unnoticed online. This is especially important for those engaged in scraping or other activities that require confidentiality. Let's not forget about customer support. The site has a section with frequently asked questions, as well as the option to contact technical support via chat. This is very convenient if you have any questions or issues. In conclusion, ProxySeller.com is an excellent choice for those looking for quality and reliable proxy servers. With a user-friendly interface, a wide selection, and good support, this site definitely deserves your attention.